Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3 of either a running flat or an expanding flat wave C. If it's an expanding flat, which I think it is more likely to be, then most likely it will go up to at least a 161, 178 Fibonacci extension and take out the highs. If it's a running flat, then it will most likely make a lower high and turn at one of these lower Fibonacci extension levels. Either way should lead to a pretty big uptrend. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I think it's very, very clear this 5 ways up right here is a wave 1, subdivisions of a wave 3. This is a WXY, which I think is a 2, and then this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3 that I believe is forming now, which should continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these much higher time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame, I think that we have a nice 5 ways up right here, and looking at correlated pairs, most likely that's what happened here, is that we have 1, 2, 3 down for an A, there's a little push up for the wave B, and then 5 ways down for the wave C. Probably another expanding flat just like what formed on the euro dollar, most likely expanding flat wave 2, and most likely we are in that wave 3 right now, and it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows on these high time frames. So going down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it does look like it is ready to make a little bit of a push down, but I think that whatever we see to the downside, at least for now, is going to only be subdivisions of the uptrend on the higher time frame. So for me, if it does go down, that's going to be great news because that should give us another opportunity to go long for the continuation of this big wave 3 trend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to start with, I only have my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up, the last little series of higher highs, higher lows. Now, if this is just going to be a crescent to this last move up, then most likely it will only go down to one of these fib levels. Maybe we already got the wave A because we already got impulsive down. It looks like we already got 3 waves up. We may already have the wave B, and there's a pretty good chance that we already are in the process of making a wave C. If it goes down to, maybe the 50 or 61.8, makes a nice impulsive up, makes a nice break of structure, that's exactly what I would be looking for, which is 3 waves down, impulsive up at a Fibonacci level for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.